Don't you smell like... It's not me, but it smells like tacos outside. Happy Saturday. It is already warm. It's like 8:45-ish, and it's supposed to be 95 or 96 today. So it's going to be a warm one at Apex, but nothing better than a nice cool acai bowl to cool you down, get your Saturday going. We'll be at Locale Vendor events, which is it's kind of right outside of downtown Apex. A bunch of other local vendors kind of selling clothes. There's a bee person there, like honey or whatever. But I think there's 30 vendors, and there's going to be us. So it should be a good event right on 55. So great location. It's the first time we've ever been here, but looking forward to it. We're going to have the tents out because it's going to be super warm, and those have definitely been beneficial to people. Our customers have been taking advantage of them, so super stoked on that. But we're going to get this truck ready and hopefully have a good day, so let's get it. It's a Derekism. I forgot all the money for the cash register. Jesus. Hey! What you doing?
Nothing.
I kind of need a favor. I left all the money for the cash register. Any chance you want to meet me at the event?
Yeah. What time?
I can text you when we're leaving here. I mean, if I can bust this out real quick, I mean, I could probably get to the house in time to grab it, but it would be easier if you could meet me there. So I'll just let me get finished loading up, and then I'll text you. If I can make it, I'll just come grab it.
Okay.
Bye. So after like 18 months of like always having to call, she knows if I'm calling in the morning, I forgot something. So that's why she wasn't super excited. Oh man. What's up?
Hey there.
What are those?
One of them's for the front door and
Oh.
for the back door. See if it'll work.
Alright, so when we drive, when I give it gas, that goes like that, and when we hit the brakes, this goes like that. So my dad just made little stoppers, so I put one in here. That one's a little long, but okay, so that one's there, that one's there. Genius. Works perfect.
How you doing?
Good.
Getting loaded up, ready to
on
sleep?
camera.
What's up?
Trying to get it done, man. About to head
You
to...
already broke a sweat.
Dude, no shit. It's gonna be warm today. I just cranked that AC way up in there, but
Yeah, air conditioning this one.
yeah. But still, that window's open like non-stop. But I bought like one of those tornado fans, and I'm gonna have it here, like trying to blow the hot air out. Like this has one of those vents on top, but they built like the ceiling over it. But I want to get one. I want to recut it out and then have a fan that sucks up the hot air out, because it gets warm still. But
Warm this weekend, that's for sure.
yeah. So, and even my freezer, like yesterday, like at the end was like doesn't keep opening, so I'm having trouble keeping temp. But get it done. What you up to?
Went up to Ace and get me some stuff to wash my house.
I hear you. Cool. Well, yeah, we're right there at you know that field, Apex Middle, and then it used to be Scott's Food Gallery.
Oh yeah.
My first job at Clint. We worked just so we could steal beer.
Really? At Scott?
Well, that was the only reason we worked there, so we could get beer. Nice to see you, buddy.
Have a great day.
You too. no idea what was going on with the water hose. But it was not filling my tank up. It's not the truck, it was the water hose. So we still got to get gas. So off to a rocky start, but we're gonna make the best of it.
Wow, I'm just super happy the buoy bowls came out here in Apex on this beautiful day and cooling off in this summer heat.
We come to buoy bowls all the time. I love this place, and yeah, we had to stop and get one. It's great.
Come get a buoy bowl. You're here with Buoy Bowl's two most loyal followers. My diet is pretty much only buoy bowls at this point. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. I don't drink water anymore. Yeah. Anytime, anywhere. I just whip out a buoy bowl and I just...
She's even gone when she gets desperate, she'll make one at home, but
yeah,
it's nothing like as good as this.
No.
Never. Can't reproduce it at home. Gotta follow them online and find out where they're going.
Yeah.
Come get a bowl.
I wasted a lot of gas finding buoy bowls. Gotta say that.
We're obsessed with buoy bowls. We come 3 times a week and we spend most of our paycheck on it.
Hi, I'm Julie. This is my friend Amber from out of town. I had to bring her to Buoy Bowls. It's my favorite food truck of all time. What do you think?
I love it. It's awesome.
Yay, Buoy Bowls.
Hey guys, I'm here at Buoy Bowls and I'm here for 10. I bought 10 Buoy Bowls today. They go in the freezer. They are awesome to take out one at a time. You stick it in the microwave, 30 seconds is all you gotta do. Then take it out, stir it real good, add your granola and fresh fruit on top. It's almost as good as in person. Not quite, but almost as good as it is in person. Buy one, take one home.
It's 12:01. Time we get here 10. So yeah, been here like 2 hours. It's hot. Got pigs, puppies, Thai bones. Just a lot of local vendors out with their products, and I think there's a puppy adoption thing going on. But it's super warm out. People are definitely using the tents. We're rocking and rolling. So keep getting it. Last bag, well, we've been on the last bag of frozen. We're out, we're on the last of fresh strawberries and bananas, frozen bananas. So it's been busy, but we still got 37 minutes till we close. So we'll do what we can. That is a wrap. We are backing out right now of Locale Vendor event. Super busy day. It was super hot, and you know, we were doing 3-hour shifts in the old truck, and now we've got a bigger truck, and so we've extended it 1 hour. But that is really, we're still pumping out high volume, and we're getting close to like basically selling out and running out of inventory on these 4-hour shifts. And so, you know, I've seen comments of like you should have a backup car that follows you with kind of like backup supplies, but so it may need to rethink the 4-hour shifts and go back to 3-hour shifts so that while we're here, everybody can get a bowl, and we don't have to turn people away, because we made it to like the last 10 minutes, and then I mean we were definitely sold out, and we ran out of fresh strawberries well before, probably like 20 minutes before we closed. It was just super busy, but those 4-hour shifts, you get a lot done. So it was a great shift, a lot of new people, which is really awesome. We love seeing new customers come trying out acai bowl for the first time. So we're out of here. We're headed to kind of transfer some data over, film footage that we've got. Then we're gonna head to Holly Springs. We'll get the truck broken down. I'm gonna go kick it with the fam for a little bit, then get prepped for tomorrow, and it's gonna be another banger tomorrow. We're in Holly Springs, 10 to 2. So thanks so much for y'all's attention. It means the world to us. That is it for an amazing Saturday in Apex. It was warm for sure, but man, we had a lot of new faces, and that's super exciting. I love being able to, you know, our mission is to share our love, our passion for acai, one bowl at a time with the community. It's been our mission, and getting to do that each day is pretty rad. So a lot of new faces today. So it was busy, super busy, and again, there's no need to repeat it because you'll probably already seen it. But 4 hours is a long time for us on this truck, and I mean that in inventory wise, is that this truck, we are so busy and the volume we do is so high that we go out of everything, and so we may have to cut back to 3-hour shifts. That's what we were doing, and we've got a bigger truck, but we're getting busier, and when you're busier, you go through more stuff, more product. And so, you know, it's just tweaking, trying to figure this out. You know, we have been adding how much product we put on, and we slam it full, but now it's like not enough. And so do we legitimately have a car follow us, you know, that's parked and as a backup, like a refrigerator car? Like, it's serious things that need to be thought about so we can continue to go and not sell out and have customers disappointed, rightly so. And I mean, today we ran out of strawberries, 20 minutes, fresh strawberries, 20 minutes before we were done. But I mean, we went through 30 pounds of fresh strawberries and over 50 pounds of frozen strawberries and 80 pounds of bananas. Like, yeah, 80 pounds of bananas. It's crazy. So, but we'll get it dialed in. But just a great day. You know, tomorrow's Mother's Day. We're here in Holly Springs from 10 to 2, and we're looking forward to seeing all the mothers. We're going to do a discount. I haven't thought of what it is, but we'll have something running for all you amazing moms out there. Super thankful for you all. So, yeah, we're going to get out of here. Day's not done for me yet, but I appreciate y'all's support. It means the world to me, literally, and appreciate the attention. And if you haven't, please subscribe.
Hey, this is my first time at Buoy Bowls, so I'm gonna try it out.
Very good.
This is our first time, and you see ours is almost gone. We've been sharing. It's amazing.